In this video, you are going to see how to write standard deviation equation in Microsoft Word document, and this is very easy. To be an expert, watch the video till the end. Let's get started. To write the standard deviation like this, go to Insert, go to Equation, click on Insert New Equation. Now we need to write the sigma symbol. Under the equation option, here you will find the symbol sigma. Just click on over here, then hit equal sign. Then we need to add the square root. Go to over here radical and choose the first option, square root. Click on this box, go to fraction. Now let me select the first option. Now let me click on over this box. Now we need to add the summation symbol. Click on the large operator and select the first option, summation. Select the first box. We have to add the superscript, so just click on the option script and select the first option, superscript. Now click on the first box and go to bracket and select parenthesis bracket and select this box and write here 2. And in the first box, go to script and select subscript because we need to write this one. In the first box, write here x. In the second box, write here I, and hit the forward arrow key or click on over here, write here minus, and let me write here mu. Under the symbol option, here you will see the mu symbol, and let me click on over here and type here capital N, and here you will see this is perfect. So in this way you can write any equation in Microsoft Word document. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.